In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a token using the Phantom wallet. Let's dive right in and get you set up for purchasing tokens with ease. First off, we're going to open up the Phantom app. Make sure that you're logged into your account so you can access all the features and functionalities available to you. Once you're on your homepage, you'll notice that you can easily view your balance, the tokens you currently have, and various options like receive, send, swap, and buy. It's all pretty straightforward once you've familiarized yourself with this interface. Now, what we want to do next is go ahead and click on the buy option. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be able to purchase your desired tokens. When you click on buy, you'll need to select which token you want to purchase. For our example today, we'll be buying Solana, so let's go ahead and click on it. After you've selected Solana, or whichever token you're interested in, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to buy. The great thing about Phantom is that it allows you to pay using either a debit card or a credit card. Simply follow the prompts on your screen, which will guide you through entering your card details. These steps are crucial, so make sure you input your information carefully. Once you've completed the transaction, you should see your newly purchased coins reflected on your homepage. It's always rewarding to see your balance update and know you've successfully acquired your tokens. But there's one final step if you want to ensure you can receive more coins from another account. To do this, click on Receive from your homepage. Here's where you'll select the particular token you aim to receive. Let's say you want to receive more Solana. Simply click on it and copy the provided wallet address. Sharing this wallet address is how you'll receive coins from another account. Once you have the correct address copied, send it to whoever needs it. As long as they use this accurate wallet address when sending tokens, you'll receive them directly into your account. In summary, buying tokens with Phantom is quite an efficient and user-friendly process. Just remember to carefully enter your payment details when purchasing and save your wallet address securely when planning to receive coins. That's it for today's guide, and now you're all set to expand your crypto portfolio. Thanks for watching and happy trading.